Yeah, I vote and I do jury duty. Very, very important. Jury duty. Please think and vote for the right person. Yeah, the right person. If people don't vote, everything stays the same. Yeah, because they are different from other men. The vote is the most powerful and non-violent tool we have. Yeah, the most powerful and non-violent tool we have. A vote is like a rifle. Yeah, a vote is like a rifle. Its usefulness depends upon the character of the user. Yeah, depends upon the character of the user. Bad officials are the ones, bad officials are the ones elected by good citizens who don't vote. Yeah, elected by good citizens who don't vote. Think. Always vote for principle. Yeah, always vote for principle. Though you may vote alone and you may cherish, the sweetest reflection that your vote is never lost. If people don't vote, everything stays the same. You can protest until the sky turns yellow. Yeah, until the sky turns yellow or the moon turns blue. Yeah, or the moon turns blue, and it's not going to change anything if you don't vote. Yeah, if you don't vote. The vote is the most powerful instrument ever devised by man for breaking down injustice. Yeah, for breaking down injustice and destroying the terrible walls. Yeah, destroying the terrible walls which imprison men because they are different from other men. Yeah, because they are different from other men. The one sure way of participating in the process of nation building is to vote on the election day. Yeah, on the election day. I'm sure you know that this day, I mean the election day, is not very far. Just 9 days to go. Keep it in your mind, please. Bad politicians are sent to the parliament. Yeah, bad politicians are sent to the parliament by good people who don't vote. Yeah, by good people who don't vote. Keep it in mind, please. On the election day, please. A man without a vote is man without protection. Yeah, is man without protection. I vote and I do jury duty. Yeah, I vote and I do jury duty. Very, very important. Jury duty. Please think and vote for the right person. Yeah, the right person. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.